What's your name? Hey, what's your name? What's your name?
Zach.
Zach, what gym you represent?
CrossFit Uncontested, Houston, Texas.
CrossFit Uncontested. All right. What's your name?
Rocky Pico.
What gym you
CrossFit Douglasville and Team Summit Assembly Required.
All right. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Tanya. I'm from Kansas City, and I'm representing Team Some Assembly Required.
Some Assembly Required. Okay, what's your name?
Dale King from Team SAR.
What was it?
Dale King from Team SAR.
Team SAR. All right.
I know.
What is the workout?
21, 15, and 9. Push-ups and lunges.
All right. Starting in
buddy.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, buddy. That's how we do it. No excuses.
Nice work. Let's go. Doing great. Push hard. Finish strong.
What are you doing, bro? What? Stop showing up, bro. Nicely done. Hi, girl. Absolutely.
Wow.
Great job.
That was
Awesome.
Guys, that was absolutely great.
Zach, come here, my man. Come here.
Way to earn those shirts, guys. That was awesome. I like it.